Most people think sensitive content is blocked because of the glitch, but the surprising truth is that it is usually a hidden setting. If you can't see certain posts on X even after changing your preferences, this guide will show you how to fix it fast. First, open X on a web browser. This setting often does not work correctly inside the mobile app. Log into your account, then click on More and select Settings and Privacy. Choose Privacy and Safety, then Content UC. Turn on the option that says Display Media that may contain sensitive content. Now go back, select Search Settings, and turn off Hide Sensitive Content. Most people get this wrong by changing only one setting. Both must be enabled for the fix to work. Next, log out of your account, close your browser, then log back in. This refresh forces X to apply the new settings. If it still does not work, clear your browser cache or try another browser. You won't believe what happens next when you do this. The content usually appears instantly. The surprising truth is that age restrictions or regional rules can also block content. Make sure your birthday is correct and your account is not restricted. Now your feed should work normally again. Subscribe for more quick tech fixes that actually work.